All right, this is the STRICH SKT L200 wooden keyboard stand. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. I actually thought I had a keyboard that fit this, but I didn't. At least I can show you how to assemble it and go over some of the features for you here. This particular wooden keyboard stand, this is important, is designed for the 88-key YAMAHA P225B, the P143, the P145, and the P223 digital pianos. And you're going to want to check the dimensions and make sure that this is the right one for you. It's about 52 inches long, 26 inches high, and about 12 inches deep. And it weighs in at about 20 pounds, so it's not too hard to move at all. It's going to need to be assembled, and I will show you how to do that over here. It wasn't too bad at all. Everything on here is made easier. They've pre-drilled all the holes, and there's a certain amount of screws that go in a certain amount of places, and everything lines up, so it wasn't bad at all. And you can see me doing it over here. And they gave us some screw caps to put on the side to make it look all nice when you're done. You can see that it looks great with this matte black finish on here. It has an H-style design for a solid foundation on here. There's some anti-fall brackets on the bottom here, so there's no wobbling or tipping on a level surface, and it will support a maximum weight of up to 100 pounds. It should be great for any adult. I'm 6'2". I've actually got a taller bench, but if there were a keyboard here, you can see that my thighs wouldn't hit the underside of the keyboard. When you do put your Yamaha piano on here, this crossbar is removable. It's easy enough to do. There are a couple of thumb screws here and a couple other screws on the back for the back of it, but this is just going to thread through here and screw into your keyboard, and same with the ones on the back. But there you go, great looking solid and stable keyboard stand for your compatible Yamaha P-Series keyboard. Very nice.